What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is The Flipster. You can always find me at garage sales, thrift stores, and flea markets looking for stuff to buy to be able to resell back on eBay for a profit. In today's video, I find over $400 worth of stuff in just 1 hour at garage sales. Me and my girlfriend took a trip up to West Palm Beach because she was going to be competing in her first bodybuilding competition. Her competition started at 10 a.m. on a Saturday morning, so I had only from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. to be able to search through garage sales. Knowing that I just had 1 hour at garage sales, I had to get a bit strategic, so I looked the night before where might be the best garage sales to go to, and I actually found a community-wide garage sale. So a community-wide sale is basically a whole neighborhood of people that decide to have garage sales on that specific day. There could be 20 to 30 sales going on in one tiny neighborhood. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this garage sale had a lot of household items and kind of things that I wasn't too interested in, but I did see this fencing helmet that kind of stood out to me, and so that's why I went in to take a closer look. So that's one strategy I use at garage sales all the time. I kind of scan things and I look for things that look unique or things that I don't see all the time, and those are the things that I'm going to go take a closer look at.
How much was your mask?
The fencing hat, how much you give me for it?
Honestly, I don't know. I have no idea.
$5.
All right, I will give you $5.
Excuse me?
So this is kind of like your classic garage sale negotiation tactic where you never name the first price. Let them say their price and you counter or negotiate based off that. She asks me how much I want to pay for it. I tell her I'm not sure. She says, how about $5? And I'm like, $5 sounds great to me.
Saudi Arabia.
Such a buy to buy in that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I like your...
Sold super fast for 70 bucks, so $5 to $70, not bad at all. And I was at that garage sale for like 5 minutes.
You mind if I take one of these?
Oh, either.
I'll help you sell it.
For sure.
Take as much as you want.
I'll just take this. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So they had free candy, so Mr. Sweet Tooth had to stop and get some candy, of course. I went for the dots. I know that's like a controversial candy to go for. Everybody hates dots. Let me know what you guys think. Was I tripping to have gone for these dots? Like, is it way too early for that? Like, I don't remember if I ate them right then and there, or I think I saved it for later. That's probably what I did. I probably saved it for later, and then I had a little snack.
Hello, good morning.
So the same tactic again, I just looked for something that stood out to me, and in this specific sale she had some vintage bags. They were made of like a canvas material and they seemed like very good quality, so I was kind of intrigued to look them up and to research them. That's always my tactic, just look for things that are unique or look for things that I've already sold before in the past.
What are you asking on the bags?
The bag, Ricky.
Oh, which one are you interested in? Or all of them?
The two black ones right here.
Two black ones.
Hello? All right, bye.
So right as I'm asking her the price for the bags here, I get a call from my girlfriend telling me that they might move her competition up, so I might have to be there a bit sooner. So that's what happened right there, and then we're back to the negotiation.
Both for 15?
You wouldn't do them both for 10?
I'd do them both for 12.
Let me see if I have. Do you have change for 20 by chance?
I do.
Okay.
8.
Yes, there you go.
Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Take care.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna peek at what else you have here, and then
Pardon?
I'm gonna see what else you have, and then I'll.
All right.
Yeah, I'll get going. Appreciate it.
So I was thinking this was about to be my last sale because I had to leave. So I'm giving it a quick look through to see if there's anything else that I might have missed. But quickly I just got out of there. But then as I was walking to the car, my girlfriend called me back and told me that it was basically like a false alarm, that it wasn't getting moved forward. So I still had a little bit of time to keep on looking for
A
stuff.
free cookie with every purchase or donation.
Oh, very cool. Thank you.
Fundraising for Safety Children.
Awesome. Thank you.
I went to this family sale and they said they were taking donations or free cookies for anybody that purchased something.
I'll take a cookie.
I didn't find anything
Thank
at
you.
their sale, but you know I had to buy a cookie for sure. So I donated $2
Actually, I'll do
and
this.
I took a cookie.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good one, all right? Good luck.
So as I'm strolling past this garage sale, I noticed that she brings out a canister vacuum.
Does the vacuum work?
It certainly does.
And what are you asking for that?
20 bucks.
20 bucks. Does it have the little attachments or whatever?
It's got just that one.
Oh, there you are. Okay, cool.
I tend to sell these on Facebook Marketplace. I try to just go and list them up there. That way I don't have to ship them out or anything like that. They normally sell pretty fast within a month or two, and you know, I get cash.
Would you take 15 for it?
Oh, I don't know. I think 20. I was going to ask 30, but
Okay, 20.
it works. The suction is great.
Do you mind if we just plug it in? Would that be okay? Do you have a
Yeah.
plug somewhere? Maybe outside?
I think that's one of them.
Right there near the door? Oh, there we go. Cool. Yep.
So always do a quick search on eBay just to make sure that that specific model is in demand and how much it kind of sells for. And that'll give you a general idea of what you can sell that vacuum for on Facebook Marketplace.
Thank you.
I hope it makes cleaning easy for you.
Yes, I appreciate it. I wish you guys luck on the rest of your sale, okay?
And there you go. I was able to sell it $100 cash on Facebook Marketplace. So after doing more research, I decided to go back for a few of the bags that I had left when I bought those 2 black bags from that lady at her garage sale.
Oh, baby, well used, but still it still works.
What do you think?
It's
$5?
still cold shit. Yeah, I'll take
All right.
$5.
Cool.
So this one here was made of canvas as well, but it had this cool leather trim across the front. This trim was stained, so that's one of the reasons why I left it behind originally. But then again, I did more research and I decided that I was going to pick it up. This is an Eddie Bauer vintage kind of like messenger bag.
I decided to come back for this bag as well. How much did you want for this one?
Bagman is back. Bagman is back.
Bagman's back.
And you heard it here first. I'm the bag man. I always get the bag.
That's a really good bag. I'm going to say 10.
Would you do 8 for it?
Okay.
All right. That's what you're supposed to do at garage sales.
That's what, yep. Start high, negotiate. Yep. Whoopsie.
If you don't do that at garage sales, you're not doing it right. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
These ladies loved to negotiate, so they were, every time I would counter, they would counter back. They knew how to negotiate. They knew what they were doing. They were experienced garage sellers for sure. But yeah, there you go. That's the video. Just less than an hour at garage sales on a Saturday morning in West Palm Beach, and I was able to generate over $400 worth in income. So this is why I tell everybody that they need to be going to garage sales. This is why I've been going for years, because it's just like you guys are leaving so much money on the table. Just an hour, and I've generated $400 in income. Most people, you know, struggle and work 20 hours a week just to make 400 bucks. You know, working for 10, 15 bucks an hour. Like, there's ways that you can be making money in your spare time on a Saturday morning and generate as much as you do at your 9-to-5 job during the week. So you could be doubling your income every year and putting that aside to save for your future. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be releasing so much more content related to teaching you how to learn how to sell on eBay. Again, my name is The Flipster, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.